Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the propulsion belt on your Toro Super Recycler. This is a 22 inch. Here's the model number. Alright, and here's the belt. Alright, so you don't have to take off your blade or your belt guide to put this belt on here. So just take the belt, loop it over one side of the blade, pull it over, loop it over the other side of the blade until it's in here. Whoop, hiccup. And then use the pulley to walk the belt onto the track there. So I actually can't seem to get it off now that I did it. I should have had it filming. But so once the blade's on, start it up here at the top, and then rotate the blade to walk it on, just like a car belt. And it'll go on to that. Nice and easy. Okay. Alright, now you got your belt here. It looks like you are going to have to take this off. So these two bolts got to come off. Oh, good. Huh, just leave that one on. Guide that through. And start it around there. There we go, it's on there. Line that back up. Alright, see if it works. 1 and a 2 and a 3. Yep. Now to put that top guard back on, figure out how that's going to work.